I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your current account is a straightforward process. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Open the current app. Launch the current app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the necessary features. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once you're in the app, find the settings icon, usually located in the top right corner. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Add Debit Card. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled Add Debit Card or something similar. Tap on it to begin the card addition process. Step 4. Enter card details. You will be prompted to enter your debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your details, review everything and hit the confirm or save button. You should see a confirmation message once your card is successfully added. Sometimes the app may ask for additional verification, like a text code. Just keep an eye on your phone for any prompts. Now you're all set to use your debit card with Current. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team. Happy banking!